You will see that this alliance or coalition, so-called, Peter Obi will still pull out if care is not taken. He will be advised. If they advise him wrongly to pull out, he can't win. You know what? I'm saying this now. Later they will say, man, yes, the man prophesied doom. I'm seeing coup. Do you understand? I see Nigeria running from pillar to post. Coach me. We have to prevent it. We have to press up. Some people wanted to sponsor junior officers to fight the senior officers. Look at my face very well. These are the things I want to tell NSA. But he refuses to attend to me. So at the same time, everything will not care. When they lose, they will not care. They are careless now. They may lose this election. These people, do you know what? Oh my God. He doesn't know that they will use a lot of things against him. Forget our millions of governors that are crossing. That cross, they are crossing his path. That cross is not the answer now. You don't know. It's only one governor that will vote. You tell others, they won't vote. If Adeleke go to APC in Osun, he will die. They will kill him. Let him stay in PDP. Just as I've said, you can now support your Tinubu. But if you go to APC, just as your brother died, so you will die. Stay in PDP. Dancing governor, stay in PDP. I'm communicating, you know. It's a serious matter.
You're right, sir.
I'm not saying it to impress anybody. I'm not saying it for any popularity. I'm okay.
Oh yeah, man.
But I can tell you, the only way is if they send spell, only spell will dismantle the coalition. The coalition is divine. So Tinubu must brace up. All these people, they are deceiving him. Change security around you.
So my people, you people have heard and seen all that this prophet said in this video. You know, in the beginning, he said that Obi will still pull out in 2027 election. And he also prophesied that there are people that want to pull out in with that APC may lose election in that 2027. But there is one thing that I want you people to know. It is only one thing that I want you people to know. Do you know that if you are hearing and trusting all the prophecies they are making about Nigeria, about the future of Nigeria, trust me, my brother, my sister, you may end up having a high BP one day. Yes, you may end up having a high BP one day because many people are saying what they didn't know. Many people are saying what they know this is totally lying. Somebody can just come out, beat his chest and tell you that God said this will happen in Nigeria. But the person totally know that it is a lie. Then why are they doing this? They are doing all this just to survive because of hardship in this country. Yes, because of hardship in this country. That is why many people have started prophesying what they didn't know. What they know say this won't happen. Some people may not know anything about future. They may not know anything about the future of Nigeria, but they will still come out and tell you that this is what will happen. Tell you that Tinubu will lose his life. Tell you that Peter Obi will lose the election. Atiku will push out Tinubu. This thing will happen. This thing will happen. Yes, my people, don't trust everything you are hearing, especially in social medias. Yes, many people are doing some things just to survive, just to get money, just to maintain their popularity. Yes, many people are doing all those things and they are prophesying just to be popular. So many more people will know them. It's just like this particular prophet that we are seeing in this video. He had told us many things. At the time, he said that Peter Obi will lose the election, that Tinubu will win. At the time, he said that Atiku will win everybody in this coming election. At the time, now, he said that APC may lose the election in 2027. Yes, I'm not here to persecute any man of God. I'm not against any man of God, but I just want you to know that majority of these prophecies we are hearing and seeing in social media, some of them are fake prophecy. Some of those prophecy, people are just making prophecy just to survive, just to earn a living. Yes, that is what we have to understand. I don't know whether you people are understanding where I'm going. If you are believing in all these prophecy that this thing will happen in Nigeria tomorrow, this thing will happen in Nigeria, my brother, your own don't finish. Majority of them don't know what will happen in the future. I don't say that all of them are fake. There are fake inside them and there are real prophets inside them. And those of them that are fake, they don't know what will happen in future. They don't even know what God is about to do. Nothing they know. They are just making prophecy as they want to, just to survive. I'm still saying this. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching the video. So please, we plead you to like the video and also remember to subscribe to this channel so that whenever we post a new update, you will be the first or second person to watch the new update. So thank you so much, and God bless you for watching.